confidence. And Dottie.
I just held her another peck all on me. She finally got tired.
He's messing with Leeann. Isn't that darling? He's pecking her. I think he's trying to get the earrings. He's trying to get her earrings. He is.
Wesley, don't get up there and get them scared off.
He got the earrings. He pulled on the earrings. Wait a minute, Wesley. Be nice. Now, what is that? What is that? Give me that. Oh, there for a minute. I thought you done broke the diamond off. Thought you done pulled the diamond out of it and about to swallow it. He's
That crazy bird.
He's wanting that earring. She told me if you had jewelry, anything shiny, a ring or something, that they'll pick on it.
Mom, you need to get Grace and let Wesley sit over here with her.
Okay.